காலையில் எங்கே மடு சிக்கனே வரலையா, மடு வலிக்கலையா? இனி நாசிக் கண்டா, ஏபிசி ஸ்பெஷல் நாசிக் கண்டா. நாசிக் கண்டா.
How much is that?
Rice with chicken, vegetable. Rice, chicken, vegetable. 11 ringgit 50 cent.
Maybe mutton?
This one kurma chicken. Kurma chicken.
Kurma chicken.
Yeah.
How much is that?
Only chicken 8 ringgit. Yeah. Curry chicken. 8 ringgit.
8 ringgit.
This one only mutton.
Okay. Very nice.
Yeah, mutton. This one mutton gravy. Small mutton. Fish.
Fish.
Yeah.
How much is that?
This one here. 9 ringgit 50 cent.
9 ringgit 50
Yeah.
cent for one piece.
Yeah. வர மாட்டேங்குது. உடஞ்சி இவரு ஏமா lamb check.
It's so big. How much?
30.
30.
Only lamb check 30.
1, 3 or 30?
30. 30. 30. 30.
This is the one favorite one.
Yeah.
Everyone, right?
One piece 30.
Yes, that's nice. And then rice,
This one biryani.
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 So huge.
Yeah.
So huge.
Only biryani rice.
How much is that for biryani?
With plain biryani only with egg, chicken biryani 19.
What else?
This one
Yeah. The
fish
fish
lah.
head?
Fish head.
Yeah. How much?
This one 25.
25.
Yeah. Okay, big one 25 lah. 25 big one. Yeah. Seafood. Seafood. One piece. One piece 10 ringgit. Yeah, sotong. Yeah. 11 ringgit. 11 ringgit, 10 ringgit, 15. This one lah, change lah. Record size. Record size. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. This one cucumber. This one biryani meal inside. Side is salad rice, cucumber. Biryani meal. This one nasi center.
White rice, how much?
White rice. White rice one 250. 2 ringgit 50 cent. White rice. This one nasi lima. Nasi lima 4 ringgit.
So, what is different with this one?
This one coconut rice. Coconut. Coconut. This one white rice.
This is tandoori. This is chicken tandoori. Okay. Nice. How much for one piece? How much? Yeah, how much? Rice?
Rice?
Yes.
One piece 10.
10 ringgit. Oh, okay. I see. Okay, this one is chicken tandoori and 10 ringgit for one piece. Special. Nice to meet you. What is that? Roti? Okay. So they have the roti section here. This is like dal and curry sauce, right? Okay. See. Nice to meet you. Okay. So this is roti section. Thosai, roti. Okay. What you are making? Ah, Maggie. Nice. This is they are cutting the cucumber. It's very nice. So fresh. It's so fresh. What is that? Yes, what is that?
Fish. Fish.
Uh,
Salmon.
That one.
Salmon.
It's nice. Is it like a traditional food item here?
This one, salmon stick.
Yes.
This one lime chop.
Yes.
Lime chop.
Lamb chop.
Lime chop.
So nice. Again, right?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Wow. The chili sauce. Get some cucumber. What is the best seller here? What's the best seller? This one. Oh, this one. Oh, I see. Okay. This. Oh, lamb chop and grill and salmon. Oh, fried and the cheese. This. What's that?
One fried one.
Oh, fried bang.